What are all values of theta? Negative pi is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to pi, for which 2 cosine theta is greater than negative 1 and 2 sine theta is greater than square root of 3. So let's write this down. 2 cosine theta is greater than negative 1. And we have 2 sine theta is greater than square root of 3. So let's solve for the one on the left here. So the opposite of times 2 is divided by 2. So you do it on the left and you do it to the right. So here we have cosine theta is greater than negative 1/2. So forget about the greater than symbol. Let's just pretend it's an equal sign. So what angle of cosine will make it negative half? Well, forget about the negative. I'll just think of half. Well, we know that cosine 60 degrees is half, and 60 in radian format is pi over 3, because 3 times 60 is 180. Okay, but this is not necessarily our answer. We're going to put this to the side as a guidance. So now let's set up the unit circle, the quadrants. So we have all students take calculus. That's a mnemonic device to help you to remember what is positive in each of the quadrants. Here, everything is positive. Here, sine is positive. Here, sine is positive. Here, tangent is positive. And here, calculus is cosine is positive. So going back to the problem we see here, cosine is negative. So it cannot be in this quadrant, it cannot be in this quadrant, and so it's either in quadrant 2 or in quadrant 3. Okay, so here we have, it has pi over 3 is like our reference angle, so we have pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6. The reason why I stopped at 4 pi over 6, while you're counting, you have to make sure that when you reduce the fraction, the denominator will be 3. And indeed, 4 pi over 6 reduces to 2 pi over 3. So I'm going to put 2 pi over 3. Okay, so now, why did I not bother looking at the tangent part? Well, if you remember, going back to the domain, it was from negative pi, which is this way, negative pi, and we also have pi, and positive pi would be this way. And so we already went to that requirement, so we have 2 pi over 3. So already I can cross out choice A and choice B because it doesn't have 2 pi over 3, and choice C and D has 2 pi over 3. Now let's look at this right part over here where it says 2 sine theta. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we divide both sides by 2. And so we have sine theta is greater than square root of 3 over 2. So notice that sine theta is positive. So once again, I'm going to draw the unit circle. It says all students take calculus. And in what part is sine positive? It's positive in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. So I'm going to cross out these quadrants below. And what angle would result as sine becoming square root of 3 over 2? That would be 60 degrees. So I'm going to use pi over 3 again as my reference, okay? So we'll count. Oh, we already got pi over 3 because that's positive. So let me write pi over 3. So if you look at the situation we have so far, we have 2 pi over 3 and pi over 3, and the choice that has that is choice D.